ko actually. Can you share yung story behind how you become yung brand ambassador? Paano nangyari? Share nyo naman sa amin yung tuwa, ligaya, during na nalaman nyo na kayo ay magiging brand ambassador at masasama na kayo sa family ng Dear Self.
Sinong gusto mauna? Nagturoan pa oh. Go. Go, Matsi.
Paano naging brand ambassador? It's because
yung story nyo.
Yes po. Because of my co-showtime dancers, si Ate Grace, Amina, and si Nelly. Na-inspire talaga ako sa kanila kasi nakikita ko yung growth, yung changes, then yan, na-inspire ako sa kanila, gusto ko rin maging katulad nila. And as I age, na babawasan ko yung self-confidence ko. Nakikita ko po sa kanila na nagiging maganda yung self-confidence nila. And yan po, gusto ko lang din maging katulad nila.
So medyo inspiration mo,
yes.
No? Sila, yung tatlong girls natin. That's so nice. Marty?
Yeah, kung bakit ako nandito, na-inspire ako ni Rick, syempre. Kita niya naman glowing naman yung kapatid ko, diba? At my age, I actually will not lie. I'm already, kayo ako itong makinig. Hello po! Tinatanaw akong pilit na nagkakadahaba yung leeg po. Sensya na kayo, walang hygiene. I'm already 56. Yeah. Sabi ko nga. I'm already 56 and the only goal I have in life for myself is to take care of myself. And bukod sa wala akong vices, hindi ako uminom, hindi ako nag-yosi, stress-free, kumakanta lang ako, I enjoy life. And I just found out that si Rick, dinala ako dito sa isang napakagandang experience na mangyayari sa buhay ko, which is with Dear Self. So, sabi nung aking partner, nakikita niya yung changes. Recently lang ako nag-start. So, nakikita na niya yung mga changes sa akin. And it glows on me. Ito pala yung power ng Dear Self. So, I'm really looking forward to be working longer with the company and with the clinic, of course. And nai-inspire din ako since nakikita ko sa sarili ko, nag-glow ako, nag-radiate sa akin. Nakikita ngayon ng mga followers ko. And I invite them to also take care of themselves. Kasi, you know, life is short. We have to take care of what God has given us. Huwag natin ang gustuhin, di ba? And I'm very happy na andito ang Dear Self. Siyang sumalo, kumbaga, sa aging point ko. Thank you very much. Ma'am Crystal, I forgot to thank you kanina po. Ayan. So, maraming salamat. And looking forward to more years to come with Dear Self.
Rhea Jen, do you want to answer the question? Meron ba bang inspiration or anything?
Hello nga ako, may question and answer ba?
Yes, of course.
Ano po ba yung question? Ayun po, bago po ang lahat, gusto ko na po, yun po, pinakit ko kanina, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Sir Rick, yan, yung una nag-message po sa akin, kung gusto ko po daw maging part ng Dear Self. At syempre po, walang kaabog-abog, tinanggap ko po agad kasi nabanggit din po niya na si Ate Neri po ay dun siya nag-lose ng weight. Kaya, syempre sa akin, as a plus size din, gusto ko rin ma-boost yung confidence ko, tapos kahit pa paano gusto ko rin mabawasan yung weight ko, at para hindi na rin ako mahiyang humanap sa maraming tao, especially po pag nag-guest po ako sa TV, ayun po, syempre po bilang isang plus size po, meron po tayong minsan na-discriminate po tayo dahil po sa size natin. At kaya po nung sabi po ni Sir Rick, itong pagkakataon na to, sobrang masaya ko po. Kaya hindi ko po sasayahin itong pagkakataon na to. Ayan. Thank you so much po, Dear Self. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Krista. Thank you po.
Na-answer mo ba yung question?
Sa sila Risa, yes.
Yes. Okay, nawala siya bigla. Okay, next question please. Si Sir Dong muna.
Hello, to be yourself po. Kasi napaka-diverse nung lineup ng ambassadors ng Dear Self. So, ano po ba yung mga hinahanap ninyo para maging ambassador ng Dear Self? Ano po yung qualification, requirements?
Hello, so I will answer that.
Sir, name po and saan po, ano po
Rain po, Rachel.
Thank you,
Excuse
sir,
me?
for that question. Napakaganda ng tanong, no? Why do we choose these people? They are so diverse. They come from different age, different... At alam mo yun, iba-iba sila ng industry. Isa lang naman yung masasabi ko dito. We chose them because we feel na kaya pa namin na ilabas at bigyan sila ng value. And katulad yan sinabi ko kanina sa speech ko, it's a partnership, parang a lifetime partnership with us. While they're doing their thing, we just ask na makita ng mga tao yung kayang ibigay ni yourself sa kanila. And that's value, self-worth, and love, of course. Do you want to add anything else?
Tsaka kung may kung may napansin kayo na nawala dun sa lineup last year, hindi si Dear said, oy, alis ka na. Walang ganon. Parang they chose to be out of the lineup. Parang ganon. So, yeah. So, parang clear, no? Kasi bakit nawala yung isa or dalawa?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, question po. Ma'am Vic.
For the new ambassadors, like Jasmine, Josh, Marty, Rhea, and Mads. As a new endorser of the Dear Self Aesthetic Wellness Center, what's the one thing you can relate with the brand itself?
Kung pwede daw tumayo, ikaw. Josh. Go, Josh.
Hello po. Thank you so much po for that wonderful question. One thing I can relate with Dear Self po is siyempre yung mismong inaano nila na Dear Self mismo yung I am loved. Yan. I am loved kasi pag nasa Dear Self ako, love na love ako ng mga nag-take care ng skin ko, na every staff, everyone, si Miss Krista, si Sir Rick, everyone. So, I can relate is that loved ako. Mahal ako pag nasa Dear Self ako. So, yun na po yung answer ko sa question. I am loved.
Yun. Thank you so much, Josh. Okay, next.
Hello po.
Jasmine.
Thank you for the question po. So for me, I can relate Dear Self to confidence and self-esteem po. Because I started modeling when I was 17 years old or 16, and now I just turned 19, and I can say that Dear Self has been a big part of raising my self-esteem, because when I started in the modeling industry, I can see that other girls are very beautiful po, and they always have visit clinics po, lagi silang nagpapa-treatment, gano'n, and I realized na hindi pala pwede na pinapabayaan mo yung sarili mo. So, it's such a good timing that I met Dear Self last year because they helped me a lot with my growth and development. And now I can say that I'm confident enough to mingle with other people, and I can say that I am good enough and I'm worthy enough to be their companion or to be at the same level as them. Thank you so much po, Dear Self, and Ma'am Crystal po. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. Mayroon pa bang gustong sumagot? Maxi or Coach Marty? Go, Coach.
Tatayo ako ulit. Walang high chair, wala rin apple box. How I relate with Dear Self. Kasi po, me being an artist, being an entertainer, I should always look good. No? Despite my age, I have to look good and I have to look presentable at all times. Kasi humaharap ako sa tao. I'm a people person as well. So it's really very timely for me to be a part of Dear Self. Kasi kumbaga parang joint forces kami ngayon, my talent and the capability of Dear Self to enhance myself also. Kaya nga Dear Self eh. Di ba? Yourself, you have to take care of yourself. And that's why I'm here, and I'm very thankful. So, thank you for... I know humaharap ako sa tao all the time, sa live man, or sa social media. So, I really have to look good, and they have to see the improvement from me, coming from yourself. So, thank you very much po.
Okay, sasagot daw si Rhea Jen. Kasi nasa-challenge daw talaga siya. Ayaw niya nang sina-challenge daw siya eh. Go Rhea Jen.
Siguro po makakalilito ako sa dear self. Kasi po, dear self, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo mahalin yung sarili mo. At ayun po, kundi dahil sa dear self, siguro, mamahalin mo yung sarili mo dahil sa dear self. Kasi maaalagaan ka nila, maano po nila yung confidence mo. Kaya, ayun po, dear self, love yourself. You know?
Thank you so much. Kasi pag pumasok ka nga naman sa dear self, tatanungin ka dun sa need mo, pero hindi lang nagtatapos yun dun. I-evaluate ka ng mga tao na nasa loob ng dear self. So that's why talagang pampered ka, makukuha mo yung kailangan mo, base dun sa kung ano yung need mo. Thank you so much. Next question please. Yes ma'am?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Denise from IC and Vlog. And my question is for the owner of Dear Self, and it is, what sets Dear Self apart from other wellness and aesthetic clinics? Thank you.
Go madam.
For that wonderful question. Actually, when we started the brand, I am thinking about myself. How am I able to improve myself better when it comes to wellness? Beauty naman kasi is very relative. So, we can be beautiful in our own ways. And then, I realized that more than, if I love my family in the first place. So, kung mahal ko yung pamilya ko, I should learn how to love myself first. So, I was thinking of, paano pa rin sa sarili ko para mas lalo kong mahalin yung pamilya ko. Of course, hindi naman talaga ako nagtayo agad ng business to help other people. I was really hypocrite to say that. Kailangan ko muna tulungan yung sarili ko, tulungan yung family ko. So, when we thought about the name itself, yourself, what I have in mind is, how am I going to improve myself so I can improve the lives of other people around me? So, yun na. And it all started with the mission na kung matutulungan ko yung sarili ko, matutulungan ko yung people. So, what makes yourself different from the others? Just 2 months ago, we are thinking about our unique selling proposition. Sabi ko kay Kenneth, I want to go deeper because all of the other aesthetic clinic around us are already banking on beauty. Which is, totoo naman, yun naman talaga yung gusto natin eh. We all want to become beautiful, we all want to be beautiful. And it's never easy. Lalo na kapag you are not according to the standards of the people around you, hindi 24 ang bell mo, hindi ka kasing kinis, hindi mo nila. So it was so difficult to define yourself as beautiful. Until sabi ko kay Kenneth, we have to understand ourselves better. Kasi beauty is very relative. And it is attainable only if we know yourself better. So we are now banking on well-being. Gusto namin magkaroon ng leap of faith from moving aesthetic beauty lang, going to the real sense of beauty, and that is wellness. So we are looking forward, especially with the help of the marketing team, together with my team, yung aming mga operations managers and managers at the same time, together with our brand ambassadors and ambassadors, to really work on our mental and psychological well-being. Napakahirap kasing sabihin maganda ka kung hindi mo na-realize yun about yourself. Kaya we are actually planning na talagang mag-leap sa totoong essence ng beauty, more than the eyes can see. So I think yourself aesthetic wellness, beauty and wellness is now more on wellness. So we become beautiful. So we are tapping people who could be experts when it comes to wellness. We could be tapping coaches, life coaches. Kaya nga, they are diverse. They are from different streams of businesses and at the same time, walks of life. Kasi gusto kong makita at makita ng lahat na yung kagandahan, nagsisimula yan sa beauty within. So I think Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness is now on its way to the real meaning of wellness, more than just
Thank you so much. May follow-up question po ba or may gusto bang sumagot sa ating mga influencers or brand ambassadors? Okay na? Okay. Next question please, sir.
Good evening. I'm standing from Reserve Platform. To the ambassadors, ano yung product and services na madalas yung binabalik-balikan and that changes your life? Pwede pa-share. We're also interested to know.
Ako po talaga, yung IPL, hair removal, underarm. Sobrang laki ng pinagbago ng underarm ko. Kung alam niyo ng dati. Alam niyo ng sisi ko. Yeah, right, Mrs. Z. Grabe, dati yung up lang ng kamay ko is parang ganito. Ngayon, eto na siya. Ganon na siya. Tapos, and then yung slimming iron sa tummy. Kasi katumbas nun is 200 sit-ups. So, sa bagay sa mga tamad, mag-workout, alam niyo na, pero malakas kumain, pero gusto nila lumit ang tummy nila, ayun ang gamitin nila, slimming iron, the best yun. And of course, ang pinaka-gusto kong balikan, yung tawag po dito, sorry po, party arms. Kasi talagang legit na lumiit ang arms ko. Na talagang maraming sabi na, anong ginawa mo sa braso mo? Pakintyo ka na, be. As in, gano'n, nasabihan ako na pakintyo na ako. Kaya babalik-balikan ko talaga yung aside sa facial din. Facial, the best ng facial nila. Kasi, look, may face naman po, diba? Wala naman po gano'n, diba? Sorry po. And of course, yung drip nila, the best. The best ang drip nila. As in, hindi na ako uminom ng vitamin C na oral. Wala na po. Yun na rin po yung vitamin C ko, yung drip nila.
How about Grace, Amina, and others at the back?
Ayan po, ang usual ko po na pinapagawa talaga ng drip. Kasi for me, kasi parang napaka-beneficial talaga niya pagdating sa akin. Kasi I'm also suffering from hormonal imbalance. May mga drip po kasi na nakakatulong din for the hormonal imbalance. And of course, collagen, antioxidant, tulong more younger, and vitamin C of course. Bali yung whitening kasi parang hindi na po namin parang hindi isa sa mga namin while nagpapadrip kami. Parang for us po kasi, ang is the vitamin C and for my din, sa hormonal imbalance. And of course, whitening pang underarms din po. Kasi syempre, we're a dancer, we're a performer. Parang mas din po malakas yung impact na pag nakikita. Kasi usually kasi talaga, yung mga tao, so napapansin namin, ang unang inaapaman talaga sa amin is yung kilikili. Oo, kapag po yan, real talk po talaga yan. Sa lahat po ng event napapansin namin. Tapos every time na puputi ng mga kilikili ng mga ano ba ba? Ganun agad yung mga, kaya parang ang sarap din sa feeling, nakakadagdag din ng confidence na, ay, ang puti ng kilikili. Kaya kahit nasa nakatayo, nakataas pa rin ako. Kahit palabas na po ako ng stage. And of course, yung whitening din po sa drawing, sa singit, ayan, and of Brazilian IPL. Kasi, syempre, mahilig po kami swimsuit. Kaya, yun po yung isa sa mga priority namin, lalo na po pagparating na po yung summer. Kaya thank you!
Kamina.
Sa akin naman po, same po kami ni Grace naman ni Neri, yung underarm whitening laser and removal. Yun po talaga yung maintain ko kasi nung nag-showtime po ako for 12 years po talaga, ang laki ng insecurity ko pagdating sa underarms. Kasi never po talaga siyang pumuti. Lahat na po ginawa ko, nirejuvenate ko na nga po siya which is mali, dun po siya lalong umitim. Pero alam niyo po, nung nag-start ako sa Dear Self, grabe po, talagang laki po talaga ng changes. Siguro kailangan mo lang talaga i-maintain. And syempre, ano mo yun, ano mo yung sa sarili mo, parang kailangan mo talaga i-maintain sa sarili mo. And ito pa po, ang pinaka-the best po talaga na binabalikan ko, yung VMAX nila, yung pinaka-bago. Kasi syempre po ngayon, at the age of 33, medyo nagsazag na tayo. So yun lang din po nakakapag-maintain sa akin yung VMAX nila. Grabe, ang laki rin po ng changes kasi nalilift niya po talaga yung skin mo. Right after po talaga ng treatment, papapansin mo, titingin ka sa salamin, pinapakita po nila yung difference nun yung dito sa right, face mo tsaka sa left, talagang nalilift niya po talaga. So, yun nga po, napakaganda ng VMAX nila. And syempre, yung grip nga po na antioxidant nga po nila. Sobrang nakapag-glow rin po sa akin yun. And yun lang din po ang minimitin ko. Thank you.
Aside from the services, may mga products din si DearSelf. So I think, Isabel, you want to say something?
Yes po. Alam po ni Ma'am Rafa at ni Ma'am Rhea na very supportive sila sa akin after ng treatment. So may binibigay sila sa akin yung soap, like clindamycin, tsaka anti-serum, yung anti-acne serum rather, then yung erythromycin. So complete set po talaga siyang binibigay sa akin nila Ma'am Rhea tsaka ni Ma'am Russell. Sa T3 po, ay, January hanggang ngayon, yung sabon ko pa rin yun pa rin po. Malaki pa po siya. Ewan ko po ng sabon ko, hindi ko lang tunaw. Kahit ako na hindi ko siya nahati-hati Talaga hindi ko talaga siya matunaw. Hindi ba katanungan ko? Di ba ano po, mabilis matunaw, mga 1 to 2 weeks, wala na. Manipis na yun. Sana dala ko pala. Makapal pa. Tapos po yung anti-acne serum. Sobrang effective. Grabe yung glass skin effect niya. Tsaka yung erythromycin, dati kasi akala ko nilalagay yun every night. Hindi pala. After treatment ko lang pala 3 days mo siya i-apply. So yun, na-overfill yung mukha ko. Kaya pinagalitan ako din ng Russell. Tapos, mas try ko talaga yung set na yun. Then, mas, from doing a carbon facial, mas may skincare pa kayo na from DearSelf, ay, ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa kayo hanggang bahay, alaga pa rin kayo ng DearSelf. Makikita mo nakalagay sa cabinet mo, DearSelf pa rin, o diba? Sinusunod ka ng DearSelf hanggang bahay. Thank you, reminder din yun.
Yes. I think si Josh, meron din siyang product na ginagamit from DearSelf.
Yes po. Ay, actually, same na din po ng mga products ni Miss
Isabel.
Ayun, actually same products lang din naman po. And every after treatment, lagi akong pinapaalala nila Miss Sai na gamitin ko yung products ng DearSelf. Like, totoo po yung sinabi ni Miss Isabel, yung serum, anti-acne serum, grabe po maka-moisturize ng face and grabe maka-glass skin. So, yun po yung mga ginagamit ko yung mga anti-acne serum at saka yung papawala po ng redness. Ano po ulit yung sir? Erythromycin po na cream. So like, grabe effect sa akin ng mga products of DearSelf. So, ayan po.
Okay, direct. You want to say something?
Hello. I just would like to share something, kasi you were asking about kung ano yung mga treatments. Usually when I go to DearSelf, yung treatments ko yung basic facial, and then I alternate that with yung carbon laser, and also the photovoltaic facial. So, at one point I thought that ano lang siya, very superficial yung effect na yung parang maramdaman mo lang siya right after you came from the clinic and then you come home and then for a couple of days you have red skin and all that, no? Pero napansin na nagulat na ako because very recently, like my classmates from high school came over, mga small reunions kami, and one of my classmates actually told me na parang iba na yung skin ko. Kasi because, yes, see me when I went in London, tapos nakita kami doon, tapos nakita nyo na yan. Which is parang baliktad. Actually, you get red skin when you're abroad, tapos kung medyo malamig yung panahon, talaga namumula-mula ka, diba? Pero dito, parang sinabi niya, just very recently, parang iba na yung skin mo, which is better. Parang dugi kami sa'yo ang ba ginagawa mo. No, so I think those are the things that really benefit me a lot when I go to DearSelf. And aside from the drips that I usually take, iba na rin yung energy. Huwag na tayo matagal. Pero okay na. Yes. Yun sir, so to answer your question. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Meron pa bang additional questions from the media? Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Shania here from Whatsup.ph. Congratulations po to yourself and sa new brand ambassador. And this question po is para sa mga new brand ambassador po na. Ayan. How do you engage with your followers to promote DearSelf Aesthetic and Wellness Center? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sinong gustong sumagot nun? Engaging daw with your followers.
Thank you po for the question. For me, ginagawa ko po is I usually make contents every visit after visiting the clinic, especially reels. Kasi pictures po are great, pero for me, I always make sure that I make reels explaining kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa akin sa Dear Self so that my followers would be encouraged and then they would understand kung ano ba talaga yung effect ng Dear Self services sa akin. And also, I recommend Dear Self to my close friends. Kapag nagtatanong sa akin, ay, ano yung ini-endorse mo, ganyan. I always tell them Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness Center. Kasi I myself can prove yung difference from ako before and after I started doing treatments with them. So, thank you.
Thank you. Meron pa bang gustong sumagot niyan? Go, Coach Marty.
Yeah, what I do with my followers, I actually have this plan to give my admins, mga admin ko sa followers ko, to give them a monthly treat sa Dear Self, to have their own experience so they can, you know, channelize the service kung gaano kagaling. And then of course, I post it on my social media na makita nila yung difference ng Dear Self from other wellness centers. Kasi kaiba talaga, it's not because I'm here, not because hindi ko ako sipsip. Pero ano lang po, talagang out of experience na sa mga nakuha kong services kasi, iba yung mga nakuha ko kaysa sa, alam mo na yung sa dati. Thank you.
Okay. Other answers po? Meron pa po ba? Before another 2 more questions from our media people. Meron pa po ba? Pagod na sila. Okay. So wala ng questions, no? Siguro later